Hey, hopefully you're back to watch more of my videos. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. And to show my appreciation, I am constantly releasing free templates for you guys to make your own custom party favors. And one of those today is going to be for pop rocks. So I have seen a lot of these online, and I've been meaning to do it for a while, but I just, with my orders and everything, I just really haven't had the time. But this weekend I have, and so I am uploading those templates to my website. If you want to go ahead and download that free template, click on the link in the description box below. And while you're scrolling down there right now, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so to start, you will need to go ahead and design your Pop Rocks label and then print it out. You should be able to fit 2 of these to a sheet, I believe. I didn't really check it out, but I'm pretty sure that's how many you could fit to a sheet. So, for this, the supplies that you will need is some kind of adhesive. I suggest double-sided adhesive strips like this, which you can get at any art supply store or even Walmart. Or if you are more of a hot glue kind of person, feel free to do so. Normally I use hot glue, but because this is such a small and delicate kind of item, I will be using my tiny, thin, little double-sided adhesive. This is probably 1/4 of an inch, so if you want to, you can go with that. Not required, but I will be using today is my paper crimper. This, I believe I ordered through Joann's a long time ago. I don't know if they sell it anymore, but it is a Fiskars brand if you want to look that up. And then of course scissors or a paper trimmer to cut this out from your printed sheet. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. This will actually be assembled pretty similarly to a chip bag, meaning we are going to be putting adhesive on the bottom here as well as the top. If you are setting up these little baggies to ship off to a customer and they'll be filling it, then you're just going to skip the step where we put glue at the top, okay? Same as your chip bags if you've ever assembled a chip bag. If you have not, I do have 2 tutorial videos for that, so be sure to go through my videos and take a look at that. So super easy first step, fold it in half. The way my template is set up, you will be able to see a line going straight down the middle so that you'll know what's your front side and what's your back side. Right, so all I did was just fold it in half so it looks like a little book right now. So right now, just to show you, I'm going to put my double-sided adhesive right here and along this edge. Alright, so hopefully you can see that. It's kind of glossy there. Got 1 strip going here, 1 strip going there. So I am going to put 1 adhesive strip up here so that you can see what it would look like for your customer. Okay, so make sure that you're placing your labels as close, or your glue or your adhesive, as close to the edge as possible, okay? I'm going to go ahead and remove these 2 right here, and I'm going to then stick it closed just like a little book. Alright, so I removed the little strips of my adhesive. They are now sticky and ready to go. So I'm going to close it, making sure to align my edges. Alright, so my top is open, but it's closed down here, so nothing can come out. At this point, if you want to use your paper crimper to crimp this edge, and this edge, feel free to do so now. Okay. You see those little lines there, those creases? That's what that would look like. And then from there, all you have to do, or your customer would have to do, is then insert their Pop Rocks in here, just like that. And then if it was your customer, they would just remove that top layer of the adhesive and then just seal it closed. If you're doing it at home, you could then use your hot glue. Go ahead and just put some glue in there and then seal it shut. So I'm going to remove my little adhesive strip there so that you can see what it looks like completely closed. And there you go. You guys have just made a custom Pop Rocks label. If you guys like getting free templates from me, if you like this tutorial, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you guys around later.